Groups at the UCC have so much to offer and are often the preferred treatment modality for concerns like feelings of isolation and social anxiety. To provide the meaningful source of support to the students, the UCC offers 3 general types of groups: process, support, and skills-based groups.
Thank you. Process groups can be a great place for students who would like to get to know themselves better and would like to improve their social relationships. These groups provide a safe place to explore relationship barriers and learn new ways of relating to others, like being more vulnerable. The UCC's process groups include the Women's Group and the Graduate Process Group.
Thank you. Support groups are intended to help build community with folks who may have shared experiences and identities. Support groups help members feel more understood and connected and less alone. Some examples of support groups that we offer this semester include Black Girl Magic, Aquí Juntos, and a PETA support group, Continuum, and Rooted in Resilience.
Thank you. Skills-based groups are focused on teaching and practicing skills that can improve your mental well-being. Discussions are focused on skill building, and group members are encouraged to practice their skills outside of the group. Some examples of our skills-based groups include our self-compassion workshop, anxiety toolbox, and our DBT.
You can find more information about groups on our website, and also you can call the UCC for more information. The number is 615-322-2571. Cheers to group!
Cheers!
Cheers.